Hi guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. A blessed Sunday to each and everyone again. This is the Sunday, best Sunday of everyone. Today is worship day of our God, Almighty God. So let's start with the verse for today. According to Proverbs 3, 5, and 6 says, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not your own understanding. Acknowledge Him and He will straight your path." So sabi nga ng Panginoon doon, magtiwala tayo sa Panginoon ng buong puso at hayaan natin na siya ang magtuwid sa ating daan. Kasi kung wala ang Panginoon sa ating mga buhay, wala tayong magagawa. Kaya tayo na pong pagharian ng Panginoon, hindi lang every Sunday, kundi every day of our lives. So, sa umaga ito, nananampalataya ako na ang Diyos ay laging nasa puso ng bawat isa sa atin at ating siyang sinasamba sa Espiritu at sa katotohanan. Thank you everyone. Trust the Lord with all your heart. God bless. Chup chup.